In this year's Halloween episode, we're taking a look at Ring, the video doorbell service that doesn't just protect your home, it captures every costumed visitor at your door hungry for that Halloween candy. And we'll also take a look at a group of Cornell students engineering wearable robotic fabrics that could one day make your Halloween costume an emotion sensor. Technology is guarding our homes and blending with our bodies, but is this the ultimate treat or the biggest trick? Hello, Circuiteers. Welcome to our annual Halloween episode where tech meets terror. Up first, the story of an inventor who started in his garage and ended up on the Forbes list. Hey, can you let me in the studio? Jamie Siminoff isn't an engineer, but he thinks like one. In 2011, while tinkering in his garage, Siminoff tried to solve a simple problem: how to see who's at the door all the time. That kernel of an idea became Doorbot, the world's first Wi-Fi video doorbell that connects to smartphones, proving that anyone can use engineering principles to invent the future. After crowdfunding and selling Doorbot online, Siminoff valued the company at $7 million when he brought his invention to Shark Tank. However, Siminoff's invention was almost universally rejected by the sharks. Then in 2014, Doorbot became Ring, which reflected a broader vision in home security. And after Ring struck gold on QVC, the company grew in 2017 with 10 core products accessible in 16,000 stores. Siminoff's video doorbell idea evolved through design, iteration, system feedback, and most importantly, failure recovery. It's the same process every engineer knows: test, fail, learn, and improve. Okay, made it. So Jamie Siminoff turned rejection into the ultimate victory when he sold Ring to Amazon back in 2018 for a whopping $1 billion. So we wanted to know the engineering magic behind this technology. Engineers designed Ring like the ultimate horror antagonist, always watching like Aunt Gladys from the movie Weapons. Software engineers utilize encryption protocols and data flow systems to protect millions of homes today. Inside Amazon CloudWatch, Ring engineers monitor millions of metrics, watching for anomalies like paranormal investigators Ed and Lorraine Warren, tracking unseen disturbances in the Conjuring films. When something looks strange, the system sounds the alarm. In 2025, Ring introduced generative AI video descriptions, a feature that describes motion events like a sentence from a Stephen King horror novel. A person in a mask approaches the door. Ring is engineered to make your front door feel a little safer even when what's outside looks a little spooky. So let me ask you this, Circuiteers, what if your Halloween costume was powered by technology? At Cornell University's Hybrid Body Lab, founded and directed by Professor Cindy Cowell, engineers and designers fuse technology with the human form. They craft personalized on-skin interfaces to help you track your health, from woven textiles that monitor your glucose levels to temporary tattoos that track your hydration levels. Hybrid Body Lab wants to bring playfulness and fun to these personalized medical devices. Just imagine wearing one of the Hybrid Body Lab's tattoos as part of your Halloween costume. You could track your hydration levels so you don't become dehydrated from going door to door in search of all that Halloween candy. Developed in collaboration with Weill Cornell Rehabilitation, Hybrid Body Lab has also created MediKnit. MediKnit is a personalized fabric-based glove that has robotic motion to help people with hand edema. The overall goal of the Hybrid Body Lab is to create health equity with their devices so that patients can be treated at home rather than having to travel long distances like the characters in the horror movie The Long Walk, about a deadly walking competition. Circuiteers, thanks for joining us for another tech-filled Halloween episode. I'd say do your best, but it's Halloween, so do your absolute worst. From Ring cameras guarding your porch to engineers connecting circuits to your skin, the future is equal parts genius and possibly a little bit ghoulish. Wraith, What's up? He's taking over.
And if you've enjoyed the Circuit News, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more incredible engineering.
And a special thank you to the Ming Hsieh Institute at USC Viterbi for making this episode possible.